Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the earning part of money. So because I talked about the four pillars of financial literacy and we talked about the spending part earlier, the needs and wants and how we make the decisions about where to spend and how to spend. We covered all that part, but we will spend when we have money. And that was the argument which Sunil gave it to me, that you need to make your kids earn money so that I can teach them how to manage the money. And that made a lot of sense to me, but the ideas which my kids came up with, it was a very lot of hard work to think about how I make them earn money and how I ensure that they earn the money, so that my goal of teaching them how to manage the money is served. Because okay, my kids came up with this idea in 2021 when the pandemic was not over, but like kids were interacting and talking. And my younger one came with this thing that one of their friends earn money for doing the household chores. And then she carries the money with her everywhere and she can buy whatever she wants. One of their friends gets pocket money to spend at school because the kids go to school, pocket money to spend at the canteen or spend at the vending machine. And she carries her money and she can buy anything from the vending machine, be it school or even the vending machine downstairs. So why don't we get pocket money? One of their friend, which is again our neighbors, she earns money for doing her schoolwork very nicely. That we also do a lot of schoolwork. Why don't we earn money? So things are not very pleasant and very different for me, because I did not think that way. Like, why should you earn money for household chores? Why should you earn money for schoolwork? But it was a hot conversation and not very pleasant, just telling you. But yes, it started with that. And so for each of things, again, we are having a lot of conversations, and I had to convince that, basically tell them that I am not going to pay you for doing your household chores. Basically, what chores you do? You pick up your clothes. I mean, after I wash them, you just fold them and hang in your almirah. You put your clothes in your laundry basket and put in the washing machine. You just help in setting up the table. What are the household you're doing which I should help you, I should pay you for? You're not picking up my clothes or folding my laundry, because again, I'm very specific about my clothes or my stuff. So again, they're doing just their own work. Okay, I do not make them wash utensils because our kitchen is very small. And again, I told them I will pay you for doing the household chores, but then you have to do them as per my condition. If I'm telling you do the utensils now, you have to stop the reading the book and come and do it now, because I want it now. And as an employer, I have the power to even suspend you or throw you out of the job if you're not doing as per my request or as per my conditions. And that did not go very well with my kids, because they could not, like, if they fold the clothes, it's not that now you fold the clothes. It's like I put the clothes in one corner of the sofa. That is Sanvi's clothes. These are clothes. Before 2 o'clock, all the clothes have to be picked up and put in the almirah. That's all is a condition. I do not do it now. So that way my kids have freedom. But when I told household chores for which I am paying has to be done as per my condition and on that time and this way and that way, it did not work for them. So that got cancelled. Then they're like, we should get pocket money. So in my childhood, in my school days, I used to get 1 rupee every Wednesday as my pocket money to eat what I want. तो हमारे टाइम पे तो बाहर क्या खाने की ऑप्शंस होती है, एक्सेप्ट हमारे स्कूल के बाहर एक साइकिल वाला होता था, एंड ही विल गेट कॉटन कैंडी, बुड्डी का चाटा एंड चने की चाट. सो एवरी वीक आई हैव 1 rupee to eat either cotton candy or chane ki chaat. So I told my kids, your mama used to get this much pocket money, but then my mom will not buy anything from outside for us. There was not much trend of eating out also. But if you look at our lifestyle, we are out like 3 or 4 days a week. And when we're out in Singapore, we do not get Indian food, obviously. So either bakery or yeah, something like bakery is the main food we eat outside the house, especially the kids. So I said, I already buy you croissants and chocolate buns and even your donuts at times. So if I start giving you pocket money, which you want to spend as per your choice, then I should not buy any snacks for you. We go out, you take your pocket money and eat what you want. And that did not work well, because even $5 as a pocket money per week is not enough, because Singapore is really expensive, especially the food part. So pocket money wala bhi nahi chala. Then their father said that, Sunil did not have any pocket money kind of concept. It was a joint family. So he said, I used to buy bulk ice creams and then sell them in retail at inside the village, or go inside the little remote places in their home, and used to earn a little extra money to eat the food he wanted to eat outside, like जॉइंट फैमिली में बाहर से खाना कहाँ आता था, बट दैट इज वॉट ही सेड दैट यू कैन डू अ बिजनेस to earn extra money. So that also clicked with them. So that I'll talk later. What kind of businesses they tried and what did they do. But then this all was complicated. They did not have like how can we earn money, but their intention of earning the money was have the power like their friends have. They carry the money with themselves wherever they go, and they wanted that. But Sunil was like, you need to make them earn money. I want to teach them how to manage it. So okay, with a lot of thought process, I came out with ways how they can earn money. Okay, and I told them very clearly, I am enabling you to earn money so that you learn to manage it. So it is not something you are privileged. It is a privilege you have. You do not deserve it. So be very clear about it. So point is, when you earn money, you need to tell me where you're going to spend it, and finally it will be my decision if you can spend it there or not. So I have a lot of control over it because, yeah, I did not let it go that easily. So the question is, how do my kids earn money? So we started with this thing that I will give them chances to earn money doing the things which they love, because I'm just enabling them. I'm giving them the privilege. For example, my elder one loves doing Sudoku. She's not an outdoor person, but she loves doing Sudoku. She can do simple things like climbing up the stairs or swimming. That's all she can do for the physical part. Or just that thing. I think Sudoku was the only thing which she did most of the time. So it's like if you do 5 Sudokus, she earns $5. And Sudoku will be a little complicated. Again, I will give the Sudoku. I have the Sudoku book. And then she will do for every 5 puzzles she'll earn $5. Or yeah, Rubik's Cube, she loves Rubik's Cube. So if you do the Rubik's Cube within 3 minutes, you earn $1. If you do the Rubik's Cube within 2 minutes, you earn $2. So like that, Rubik's Cube she earned money. And then puzzles book or something which she loves, because our first instance was to make them fall in love with earning money. So that's how my elder one starting earning money. And it started in 2022 only. I think beginning of this year, we started this earning money thing. For my younger one, who is more of an athletic kind, we gave her like skating, skateboarding, swimming, because she loves doing it. So if she does 10 rounds of the pool, she earns $2. If she goes skating around like we have a skating area, she earns $2. And like that, they started earning money. So sometime I'll change like once in 2 weeks. I'll give them 2 options per week. Okay, in this week you can earn by Sudoku and Rubik's Cube. Next week you can earn by Sudoku and puzzles. This week you can buy Sudoku or Rubik's Cube and swimming, something like that. So that is the first level which we did for 2-3 months, and they earn like okay kind of money. They were good at these things, but the point is they get very allured towards the spending money. And what we did about it, that I'll tell you about saving and growing in the next part. Then once they get used to earn money, we make things complicated. Like, now we'll give you the things or give you the ways to earn money for which you have to put extra effort, which is not your comfort zone. Because earning money in real life is not easy. So my elder one, who is not an outdoor person, got physical tasks. Not like something very hard. She doesn't like skating, she doesn't like swimming. But I told her, like, if you, we live on the 14th floor in our building. If you go 14 floors, you will get $2. Like, climb from floor 1 to floor 14, you will get $2. And other ones like, what others I gave her? Walking. So if you walk 2,000 steps, you go out and walk. You walk around the condo, you walk around the park. For every 2,000 steps, you will get $2. So, she'll walk. So basically giving her the things which are outside her comfort zone. Rubik's Cube, like she is good at 3x3, but then I gave her, I think, 4x4. I just make things complicated. You get the point. Just making them realize that earning money is not easy. Again, going for my younger one, who is athletic, but like skateboarding does not come very easy to her. Or this one, it started raining also, so she could not skate much. So again, climbing thing came for her also. Swimming got more complicated, that you had to do 20 rounds for $2. So again, the second step of earning money was making it more realistic, that you go out of the comfort zone if you really want the money. And it was not easy. It was a lot of fight, a lot of arguments, a lot of crying, that why earning is so hard. I was like, because in real life, because they spent money wrongly. In my sense, it was wrong, but they were very happy buying that toy from the store or dollar store or buying that thing from the dollar store. I did not stop them, but I wanted them to make me conscious that, earning money is very hard. So when you spend it, be very cautious. So this is what we are doing as of now. Now also they earn money for doing the things which are outside their comfort zone. So she said like, Mama, I want Sudoku back. I said, okay, I'll give you Sudoku, but now I'll give you hard level. So she did the beginner and intermediate level. Now I'll give you Sudoku hard level, and that also five puzzles will learn $5. But doing those 5 puzzles is like next to impossible. Trust me, even I could not do it. So trying to just give them a feel that, so that if they earn money with the hard work, they will be cautious about spending it. So this is the my way of making them earn money कि कुछ मेहनत करो मिल जाएगा. The other part was doing business. Okay, so that ideas came from Sunil. Sunil was like, you should sell things, because he's done all these in childhood. For me, it's so odd. I have never been that, but I told them, okay, go to the park and see what kids would like to buy from you, because I am not going to sell your stuff online. I am not going to sell your stuff on WhatsApp or onto my friends. I want you to go to your customer, which is basically your friends only, because you say your friends have pocket money and they bring money to the park or everything. You go and sell your stuff, whatever you can, and see if they earn it, if they buy it from you. And they're like, what can we sell? I said, whatever you think. What is a skill? And what is your skill? What is something you know? And my kids are good at craft. We do a lot of craft stuff. Craft me like woolen crafts, bracelets, or just the sample beads, simple, handwork we do. So that idea clicked with them, and they started working on the wool, making the necklaces, making the weaving things, finger knitting, everything. The bracelets, necklaces, mats, whatever we do with that finger knitting and the stitching thing. Like we do a lot of craft, and weaving also we do, right? The through thread, we do all that. And they actually got that stuff. They made some craft, some flowers also with a felt or something as a decorative pieces. They made necklaces with beads also, and they took all the stuff to the park and they sold it to their friends. And then they learned a lot of things about business. Some people bought, did not pay the money. Some people bought and then they broke it and returned it. That was not good. It happened into them. And some days they'll come very upset. Some kids even place an advanced order that, can you make us a bracelet of pink color wool, and we like it, we want this one for my friend, this one for my sister. And they literally took the papers to the park and got, Mama, we got an order for 2 blue necklaces, 2 blue bracelets, rakhis we made. They sold that also. So not like big money, 10 cents, 20 cents, obviously. And I told them, I'm not going to charge you for the raw material. Whatever you earn is your money. So I think it went for a month or so, and they earned about $3 to $4 total as like team. And so that's how they earn money. Now they are down on that business because whosoever the customer was, they are done with whatever this stuff. So I'm telling them, you earn a new skill now, so that you can create more stuff and you can sell to your friends, because I am not going to do anything for you. And they beg me, Mama, we should sell online, we should take to this store and that store. I was like, okay, we'll see about it. So that is the ways my kids are earning money. And then in the next videos, I'll tell you how we are teaching them to save and grow and all that stuff, which is mainly taken care by Sunil, but still I'll share whatever I understand what he's doing with them, and hope it benefits you too. So thank you for watching me. Bye bye.